just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is for you. Got stuck, you went looking for clues, but that just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is for you. The waiting's done and you find your home right here. A light goes off and it clicks, you figure out.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This video I'm just showing y'all all of my Christmas decor for 2025. I hope that you all enjoy it, and if you're new, I would love for you to stick around and subscribe to my channel. And if you're not new, thank you for continuing to support me. I am looking forward to this holiday season as I have been dealing with a lot of sadness with my dad. The anniversary of his passing was the week before Thanksgiving, so I am just trying to not focus on that and focus on, you know, the good memories and just, you know, the family that I do still have here, and just trying to make the most of what I have in my life right now. So I hope you all are well, and I pray that you all have a great and blessed holiday season. God bless.
Nothing happened by accident.